In this video, you will learn 3 methods to move columns in Excel. Let's get started. The first method we will look at to move columns is the Insert Cut Cells method. The first step is to select the column to move. Next, right-click anywhere in the shaded area, then select Cut. Now select the column that you want to move this column before. We want to move the amount column before the date column. So let's select the date column, and finally right-click and then select Insert Cut Cells. The amount column has been moved before the date column. The second method is the Shift key method. To use this method, select the column to move, then hover the mouse over the border of the selection until the crosshair with 4 arrows appears. Next, press down the Shift key and hold it, then press the mouse and drag the column to the position you want to move it. You will see a insertion guide, which is like a dark green line, which you can move. I will go ahead and select in between the A and B column, and then release the Shift key and the mouse key at the same time. The item column has now been moved between the amount column and the date column. The third method I will discuss will enable you to move multiple columns at once. The first step is to select the top row, then right-click and select Insert. Now specify the order that you want the columns to appear left to right. I want the date column to appear first, the category column to appear second, the item column to appear third, and the amount column to appear fourth. Next, highlight the whole range, then go to the Data tab and click Sort. After this, go to Options, then select Sort Left to Right, click OK. Then go to the Sort By drop-down and select Row 1, and then sort on cell values, order smallest to largest. Click OK. Now you can see the columns have been moved and reordered so that date is first, category is second, item is third, and amount is fourth. The final step is to just select row 1, right-click, and delete. And now you have moved multiple columns at once. In this video, you learned 3 methods to move columns in Excel, including the Insert Cut Cells method, the Shift key method, and also a method to sort and move multiple columns at once. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn notifications on so you will be notified of new videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.